U okviru internacionalnog proleća ovo je drugi u nizu projekata koji se dešava u našoj organizaciji. Dakle, deo smo velike Erasmus porodice i radujemo se naravno svakoj prilici za susret i sa učenicima, ali i sa kolegama iz Evrope. Sa nama su ovog proleća naši gosti, odnosno sada već naši prijatelji iz Severne Makedonije, Španije, Italije i Turske.
Our friendship started 3 years ago with these nice colleagues. I'm very happy I have met beautiful people in this project and beautiful students, and it has a big meaning for me, for my students and for my school.
Until now we have for mobility, where the first was in Macedonia, the second in Italy, after that in Spain, and now this time is the last in Serbia.
Cultural exchanges are important for many reasons, but the first thing that comes up to my mind is about destroying barriers and join other people on their same field and find out that finally we all belong to the same background.
We are influenced by lots of nations and civilizations. And I think this is very important because I think that such projects are very good. They are an instrument to transform one culture, from one generation to another. That is very important.
Erasmus project gives us opportunity to know more each other, to have better understand, to know more about the culture. And it's good for the student, also it's very good for the teacher.
Because first of all, we are engaged in a lot of communication, be it in doing projects together or just basic level conversations. And we do it all in English, or we try to learn something from each other's languages. And that is, of course, the best way to learn something new.
I met new friends and I learned new cultures. And that's so important for me, and I'm so happy.
The place is fantastic, and food is very, very good.
Belgrade is so beautiful place, Kalemegdan, Temple of Svet Sava, ethnographic museums.
We really like the city, we are enjoying a lot. It's very different from our city in Spain, but we like that it's different because it's a way to learn other city work in the world.
Kao što vidite, atmosfera je ovdje uvek dobra. Veliki broj učenika, veliki broj naših kolega, dakle profesora je tu. Beograd je ostavio snažan utisak, a čini mi se naša škola, odnosno ITHS, još jači i sve aktivnosti koje imamo tu su kako bi i srpsku kulturu i naše znanje prezentovali na najbolji mogući način.
ITHS is doing a great job with us. They are helping us a lot. They are very welcoming. Everything is really well organized.
I should say that the students are very lucky because the conditions of the school, the physical outlooking of the school and the laboratories, the classes, wonderful, perfect. Yes.
I learned Doverdan and Vala.
I learned Italian. Buonasera.
I learned kako si, dobro jutro.
Buenos dias, maybe in Spanish, okay. Dobro jutro.
And Serbian, Vala.